If you've ever wanted to password protect your Google Sites website, today I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method to get it done in just a few minutes. This method works perfectly in 2025 and doesn't require any external tools. First, open Google Sites and either create a new site or open one you already have. Next, head over to Google Forms and create a new form. Here's where the magic happens. Add two short answer questions, one for a username and one for a password, or if you prefer, just add a single field for a passcode. Now click on the password question, open response validation, and set it to require a specific passcode of your choice. This way, the form only accepts the correct entry. Once that's done, click the Send button in Google Forms, choose the Embed option, and copy the embed code. Go back to Google Sites and paste this code right on your homepage. This will act as your login screen. Next, create a hidden members-only page inside your Google site. Place the content you want to protect there. Visitors will need to enter the correct passcode in the embedded form before you guide them to that hidden page. Finally, publish your site and test the process. Enter the passcode, and if everything's set up correctly, you'll be directed to your secure content. And that's it. You've just password protected your Google site without any third-party software. It's quick, effective, and a perfect way to add a simple security layer to your site. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out and keep your content safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.